Have you ever wondered, why should I start investing now? You're not alone. You're not alone. Many people face this question, and in this video, we're here to provide some clarity. Investing isn't just for the wealthy or the experts. It's for everyone who wants to secure their financial future. We'll debunk common misconceptions about the stock market, making it less intimidating and more accessible. By starting early, you harness the power of compounding, ensuring your money works harder for you over time. We'll introduce essential concepts and strategies that can transform your financial outlook. So, let's dive in and explore how investing can be the key to a prosperous future. Up next, we'll tackle the basics of investing. Before diving into the world of investments, it's crucial to understand the basics. So, what exactly are stocks and ETFs, and why should beginners consider them? Let's start with the basic concepts of investing. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and securing your financial future, but it can also seem daunting without the right knowledge. Stocks are essentially shares in a company, giving you partial ownership. They're a popular choice for many investors looking to grow their wealth. However, navigating the stock market can be complex. That's where ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, come in. ETFs are collections of stocks or bonds traded on the stock market, just like individual stocks. They offer diversification, meaning your investment is spread across multiple assets, reducing risk. For beginners, ETFs provide an accessible entry point into investing. They combine the benefits of stocks with the ease of mutual funds, offering a balanced approach to growth and safety. As we continue, we'll explore these topics in more detail, helping you build confidence in your investment journey. Next, we'll tackle the common challenges new investors face and how to overcome them. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, looking out at endless possibilities. That's how many new investors feel when they first approach the stock market. With a myriad of options and a sea of information, investing can appear daunting. But don't worry, you're not alone in facing these challenges. Many beginners struggle with understanding the complexity of stock market options and overcoming the fear that often accompanies investing. It's normal to feel overwhelmed, but taking the first step is crucial. By acknowledging these challenges, we can simplify the process for you. Investing doesn't have to be intimidating when you have the right guidance and tools. In this segment, we'll unravel these complexities and offer strategies to help you move forward with confidence. Whether you're worried about making the right choices or just don't know where to begin, we're here to help you navigate this journey. Up next, we delve deeper into one of the most effective tools for new investors, ETFs. Have you ever wondered what ETFs are and why they're becoming the go-to choice for many investors? Let's unravel the mystery behind exchange-traded funds. An ETF, in simple terms, is an investment fund traded on stock exchanges, similar to individual stocks. But here's where they shine. ETFs combine the best features of both mutual funds and individual stocks, offering a diversified portfolio that you can buy and sell throughout the trading day. Imagine having the ability to invest in a wide array of assets all at once: stocks, bonds, commodities, without the need to pick each one individually. This diversification not only spreads risk, but also enhances potential returns, making ETFs an attractive option for both beginners and seasoned investors alike. Another advantage? Cost efficiency. ETFs generally have lower expense ratios compared to mutual funds. Plus, because they're traded like stocks, you have the flexibility to take advantage of market movements in real time. This flexibility and cost effectiveness make ETFs a smart choice for those looking to maximize their investment potential. In essence, ETFs provide a straightforward way to diversify and grow your investments. As we move forward, we'll explore how to select the right ETFs tailored to your financial goals. Now that you understand the basics of ETFs, it's time to explore how to choose the right ones for your investment goals. ETFs offer a diverse range of options, but selecting the right fund can make all the difference. Begin by considering your financial objectives. Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term gains? Once you've identified your goals, evaluate ETFs based on their performance history, management fees, and the sectors they cover. Next, let's talk about setting up your investment account. This is your gateway to the stock market. Choose a brokerage that offers low fees and a user-friendly interface. Many platforms even provide educational resources to help you make informed decisions. Once your account is set up, you'll be ready to purchase your first ETF. Remember, investing is not just about picking the right funds. It's about creating a strategy that aligns with your financial aspirations. Stay informed by regularly reviewing your portfolio's performance and adjusting your strategy as needed. By choosing the right ETFs and setting up a sound investment account, you're taking crucial steps towards building a robust financial future. Investing might seem complex at first, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate the stock market confidently. As we conclude our journey into the world of investing, let's reflect on what we've learned. From the basics of stocks and ETFs to overcoming the initial hurdles every new investor faces, we've covered a lot of ground. Remember, the stock market isn't just for seasoned investors. It's a powerful tool for anyone willing to take the first step. We've demystified ETFs, highlighting their advantages and how they can serve as a cornerstone for your investment strategy. Now, the next steps are in your hands. Set up your investment account and explore the diverse ETF options that align with your financial goals. Starting your investment journey may feel daunting, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Take that step today and embrace the opportunities that await in the stock market. Your financial future is within reach, so why wait? Begin your journey now, armed with the knowledge and confidence to make informed investment choices. This is your moment to secure a brighter financial future. Thank you for joining us on this educational adventure into investing. We hope this guide has empowered you to take control of your financial destiny. Happy investing.